Hi, Bob Freeman here. I'm with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the 2019 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Let's start at the back of the boat. If you are fishing for the day, we do have a very large two-section live well back here, so two different kinds of bait. Plenty of room for you there. If it's powered by the Mercury. You get triple 350 Verados, all the horsepower you're going to want. It's up close to a 50-mile-an-hour boat, so plenty of speed, getting you offshore in a hurry. But if you want fishing for the day, it's set up very nicely. You got the fold-down seats. These will go up and out of the way if you're not using them like so. It goes right out of the way. Dive door ladder. And then you've got another drop-down seat here, and then another very high, very comfortable seat here that also doubles as a fish box. So very large fish box, very conveniently located here to put your fish directly in, not making a mess. It'll also double as a cutting board. So this is real teak in here, drink holders. You can do all your prep right here. And then one of the great features of it, it's got the dive door, which opens up. It's great for just swimming on and off. It's also for taking the fish in instead of bringing them over the gunnel. We're straight through into the fish box. Great way not to lose a fish. Let's move to the helm. So you've got triple captain's chairs up here. So the captain does have some company up here, which is kind of nice. Not everybody sits with the captain. Best seats in the house right here. Dual Ray Marine. You got the large touchscreens, all your rockers, digital throttle and shift, and then you got the joystick. The boat will actually go sideways. So if I'm bringing it into a dock and I need to go sideways, I just go like this. The boat will actually just go straight in, and when I go to leave, it'll go straight out. It's got the sky hook. I can hit that. Locks me in a position for getting ready to dock, sunset, whatever it may be. And then it's got the auto heading, which is an autopilot. It's a point and shoot. Just point the boat in the direction you want to go. You hit it, and it takes you there. Real easy. Great feature. Then we've got the cabin down below. It's set up very, very nicely for an overnight. So it's air conditioned. It's got a generator, and you can spend the night if you want very comfortably. Rod holders, everything down there, and a full stand-up head. As we move to the bow, we've got a huge sun pad up front. So it does everything really well, and it has great storage underneath. You've got all your canvas in there. You've got your power cords, cooler. So great storage underneath here. And then we've got a table up here that'll actually hydraulically go down and become a full sun pad here if you want it. You've got the recessed anchor, which is not exposed, so there's no trip hazard if you're fishing off the bow of the boat. So it pretty much does everything. It's a great offshore boat. It's got radar on it, spotlight, everything you're going to need to fish, and also do the comfortable stuff, going to lunch, going to the beach. That does that very well also. So any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.